Hello, I am Dr. Farshad Amini Behbahani and this is short course of Iranian traditional medicine. In this section, we evaluate the elements. In previous sections, we know and learn that there is a manager of the body. We call it the nature. The nature of the body is in connection with the nature of the cosmos. Cosmic nature and inner nature have communication with each other and have effect on each other. The physician or healer should be at the service of the nature. For better service and knowing the right direction of the nature, there is 7 essentials or 7 tools. This manager works with 7 tools. The first one is element. Elements in traditional medicines are different from the Mendeleev table elements. The Mendeleev elements have corpus. They are touchable or palpable or detectable somehow with some instruments. But the elements in the traditional medicines like Chinese medicine or Ayurveda or Iranian traditional medicine have no corpus. They are actually components of a corpus or physical creature. It is told that in Iranian traditional medicine there is 4 elements. Fire with act of penetration, mixing and lightening. Soil or earth with a speciality of stability and saving the faces of the creatures. Water with the speciality of liquidity and accepting the faces for the creature. And air, which appears by lightening and eliminate the weight of object or corpus. It is told that fire has warm and dry temperament, water has wet and cold temperament, soil or earth has dry and cold temperament, and air has warm and wet temperament. But in this primary definition, these 4 elements actually were symbols of 4 qualities. Water, the symbol of coldness. Fire as the symbol of warmness. Earth as the symbol of dryness, and air as the symbol of wetness. Actually, the Unanis or Greek scholars believe in 4 qualities as the fundamentals of the universe or the creature of the universe. Space and time actually was accepted primarily in preliminary definition, and for creation of a corpus or a body we have 4 elements. Understanding the difference between elements in traditional medicines and the elements in Mendeleev will be helpful to understanding the mechanisms of disease, some disease especially. Each disease can be related to an element. If the amount of fire increase in a corpus or a body, the hotness and agitation and much movement will be appeared. Because actually fire as the symbol of warmness is tendency to spread in the space. Some disease relates to soil or earth, like schizophrenia or memory disturbance or obsession, because the earth is symbol of tendency to move in time, or a symbol that increase stability. An obsessed person cannot move from an idea to another idea, cannot move from a thinking to another thinking. The primary thinking is stable in his or her mind. Some diseases are related to water as the symbol of coldness. Coldness is tendency to concentrate in space. Some diseases are related to air. Air is tendency to being in the space and to accept the space in the corpus. By understanding the action of these four elements, some scholar can treat the diseases only by following the signs and symptoms of disbalance between the elements in the body.